Hi everyone, let's make a very quick lunch recipe. So for this recipe I'm going to be making chickpeas and it's going to be super delicious. So let's get started. So I've placed a pan and over medium heat I'm going to add in oil. I've already added oil and then I'm going to add in 1 white onion. Then I'm going to stir and let this cook until the white onions are soft. Once the onions are starting to soften up, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Stir in. Add in tomato paste. And then I'm going to be adding in a few spices. So I have curry powder, garlic powder, paprika, and cumin. You're going to find everything listed in the description box down below. And then I'm going to stir in the spices. Next, I'm going to be adding black pepper. I always add black pepper in my food, and salt. Stir in the salt. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. Once the water is combined into the tomato, I'm going to let my tomatoes cook until the tomatoes are mushy. Once the oil starts separating from the tomatoes, my tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to add in my boiled chickpeas. This is a recipe for 2. And if you don't like chickpeas, you can try out this recipe. It's going to be very delicious. Stir in the chickpeas, and when fully coated with the tomatoes, I'm going to add in a splash of water, about a 1/3 cup. And then I'm going to let my chickpeas simmer for around 5 minutes on low flame. After a few minutes, this is how my chickpeas are looking, and the aroma in the kitchen is so amazing. So I'm going to add some baby spinach, my chickpeas, and then I'm going to stir. The spinach is going to wilt down as it cooks, so if you can't find the baby spinach, you can use the regular spinach. So this is how it's looking. As you can see, the spinach is has fully reduced into the chickpeas. So my meal is also ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and then I'm going to serve mine with rice. You can also have the chickpeas with chapati and it's going to be so delicious. So because of the acidity of the tomatoes, you can add a pinch of sugar, which is very optional. If you don't like sugar in your food, don't add. You just add a tiny pinch of sugar. Yeah, so I'm going to have mine with rice, as I have said, and I'm going to fully enjoy. So thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video, and I hope you try out this amazing and easy chickpea recipe at home.